Want to save $60 on your Ellis County marriage license and skip the mandatory 72-hour wait? If you are planning to get married in Waxahachie, Ennis, Midlothian, or anywhere in Ellis County, you need to apply for your marriage license through the Ellis County Clerk's office. But you do not need to pay full price, and you absolutely do not need to wait 72 hours to have your ceremony. Hi, I'm Kristen Franzen, Clinical Director at Cadenza Counseling and a board-certified licensed professional counselor here in Texas. Today, I'm going to walk you through the exact Ellis County process, what documents you need, and a legal loophole to save money and time. First, let's look at the highly specific local cost. The standard fee for a marriage license at the Ellis County Clerk's office is currently $82. However, if you complete an approved 8-hour premarital course, like the official Twogether in Texas program we offer at Cadenza Counseling, the county is legally required to reduce your fee by exactly $60. That brings your total cost at the courthouse down to an incredibly low $22. Beyond saving money, there is a major time-saving benefit. Under Texas Family Code Section 2.204, once the Ellis County Clerk hands you your license, you are forced to wait 72 hours before you can legally get married. But if you present our Twogether in Texas certificate when you apply, the clerk will instantly waive that 3-day wait. You could legally have your ceremony the exact same day you walk out of the historic Waxahachie courthouse. To get this $60 discount and waive your waiting period, you just need to take our state-approved online course. While other providers charge up to $30 for this, our official course at Cadenza Counseling is only $19.97. It is entirely self-paced and 100% online. You can access it from your phone or laptop, pause whenever you need, and pick it right back up. There are no hidden fees, and your official certificate is generated instantly the moment you finish. When you are ready to apply, you must first complete the marriage license application online through the Ellis County Clerk's website. After that is submitted, you and your partner must appear together in person. You can visit the main office located right on the square at 109 South Jackson Street in downtown Waxahachie. Hand the clerk your printed Cadenza Counseling certificate, along with valid government-issued photo IDs, like a driver's license or passport, and know your social security numbers. Keep in mind, Ellis County does not accept personal checks, so bring cash or a card. They will verify your certificate, apply your $60 discount, and issue your active license right there. To claim your $60 Ellis County discount and skip the waiting period, click the link in the description below to register for our official Twogether in Texas course. You can finish it at your own pace and print your certificate today. If this video was helpful, please hit the like button, and if you have any questions about the Ellis County marriage license process, let me know in the comments below. Congratulations on your wedding.